Yeah, how are you all? And welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about the cryptography. Let's start the cryptography crash course. So are you ready, guys? Yes. So let's start. So first of all, we have to tell you about the cryptography. Cryptography is basically the protecting information from evil. So we have basic information. So we and I have to securely communicate over the channels and securely save my data in my PC, in my drives. So I will tell you about the basic details of cryptography. So from now I am starting about the cryptography crash course. So you just have to uh, with me, and I will tell you about each and every detail on cryptography. So I am telling about the basic book which I am following, William Sterling Cryptography and Network Security 6th edition. So first of all we have a chapter number 1, and first of all we have a first topic, cryptology. Cryptology is a science of study of dealing with ciphers and securing information over the channel and the other basic things. So cryptology subdivides and produces two main other things: cryptography and cryptanalysis. So cryptography is the process of protecting information over the channel, and communicate and give you a secure communication between person A and B. So and the other is cryptanalysis. Cryptanalysis is the study of ciphers, which usually done by the evils or intruders. So if you have to give produce a best cryptography algorithms, so you just have to master about the cryptanalysis rules and their backdoor and brute force. If you know the backdoor of your algorithm and brute force attack can be done, so you can efficiently produce your algorithm, and you can efficiently implement your algorithm. I will tell you about the efficient algorithm, how to produce an efficient algorithm in my later videos. So just for now I will tell you about the encryption and decryption basic information. Encryption is basically the process of hiding information from third person. And so for encryption we usually use the keys, and yeah, and for decryption also use the keys, and which usually known only by two person which we are communicating. So and the next thing is we have a notification for you. Please subscribe my channel Knowledge Beats for getting more exciting videos about this topic. You just have to give me 15 seconds. I will give you about the all information about the cryptography. You just give me 15 seconds. Like, share and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. And the next thing is cryptographic algorithm and protocol. In today's lecture we will tell you about the basic things about all cryptography, and then in the later videos I will give you about the nitty-gritty details of every topic. Now for now, symmetric encryption conceal the content of blocks and streams of data using the same private key, and the other is asymmetric encryption, conceal the contents of blocks of data using a public key. So one thing about symmetric encryption and asymmetric encryption is this: symmetric encryption is basically use the only one key, and the asymmetric encryption uses two keys, public keys and private keys. For in what about these two keys functions, I will tell you about in my later videos which will be made in next week. So and the other is next data integrity algorithms. So data integrity algorithm is basically used for to avoid data from alteration. An authentication protocol authenticate the identity of entities. And the three basic objectives of computer security and cryptography: confidentiality, integrity and availability. Confidentiality is the data integrity. Confidential information is not available or disclosed to unauthorized individuals. Privacy, individuals control or influence what information may be collected and stored, and by whom and to whom that information may be disclosed. Integrity, data integrity. Information and programs are changed only in a specified and authorized manner. System integrity in system performs its intended function is an unpaired manner free from deliberate or inadvertent unauthorized manipulation of the system. And availability, systems work promptly and service is not denied to authorized users. There is a triad of CIA, C for confidentiality, integrity for I, and A for availability. And two other objectives is the authenticity and accountability. Authenticity is basically the users are who they say they are, and that each input arriving at the system came from the trusted source. And accountability is the action of entity can be traced uniquely to that entity. Breach of security is there are levels of impacts. If you have low breach of security, the loss could be expected to have a limited adverse effect. If you have a moderate, the loss could be expected to have a severe adverse effect, serious. And the last one is then the high, the loss could be expected the high have a severe catastrophic effect. Security challenges is everywhere. So in computer cryptography, security challenges are not simple. Potential attacks on the security features need to be considered. Procedure used to provide particular services are often counter-initiative. It is necessary to decide where to use the various security mechanism. Requires constant monitoring, is too often an afterthought. Security mechanism typically involves more than a particular algorithm or protocol, and so on. You can read it from my lecture slide. I will give you the lecture slide in my link description. And there is a OSI, security architecture. There is a security attack, an action that compromises the security of information or services. And the security mechanism, a process or a device incorporating such a process that is designed to detect, prevent, or recover from a security attack. Security services are processing or communication services that enhance the security of the data processing system and the information transfer of an organization. Threats and attacks, RFC 4949 threat. Every information have a threat to be depicted from the third person. A potential of for violation of security which exists when there is a circumstance, capability, action, or even that could be breach security. An attack, assault on system security that derives from a threat. There is a security threat, passive attack and active attack. Passive attack attempts to learn or make use of information from the system but does not affect system resources. Do you understand about the active attack attempts to alter system resource or affect their operation. Passive attack is there are two types of passive attack: the release of message content or traffic analysis, and the other is active attack, masquerade, reply, modification of message, and denial of service. The basic is that active attack, modification of data, disruption, and creation of false data. Masquerade is one entity pretends to be a different entity. Reply, the passive capture of data and its subsequent retransmission. Modification of message, a message is altered or message are delayed or reordered. Denial of service, prevent or inhibit the abnormal users or management of communication facilities. So guys, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you, and we will meet in the next video. Thanks.